So this is how you make a vision board based on your personal goals. So this year I made a vision board for like myself because I wanted to improve on myself, but you can do whatever goals you like to have. So a vision board is basically for like personal goals or just setting goals for this year, and you can also visualize it. And in my vision board, I have topics of self-love, healthy living, friendships, relationships, school, work. So to find your personal goals, you would write down like 5, 6, 7 things of like you want to improve on yourself, or just goals based on like what you want to have for this year. And after that, you would take those 5 things and turn them into words. So self-love. An example would be so I wrote down like my strengths and talents, as well as like setting priorities, creating a personal manifest. So I like my priority would be like have a good education, improve my self-development, and go to therapy, and I would learn how to improve myself. So I took that and turned it into words. So self-love. So this is my little self-love page. I have my images. You will gather your images, and I have a blank spot for like sentences. So you have your 5 things, like 5 words, and then you would go on Pinterest, look up like that word, and have some like save some images based on it. So after gathering those words and images, the next step would be to print them out, or if you're doing Canva, just save them. And so visualize this as like a blank paper. I cut them out, and then I set them where I wanted it to be. So you would do the same. You would set them out on that paper where you want them to like be. And then after gathering those after you have those images in your spot, you will glue them down. So also when you glue them down, leave a blank spot, because you will like use that later. So after them having all glued down, you have your little blank spot. Imagine this being blank. And you will write down things based on those images. So I wrote down I'm going to do more self-care affirmations. I'm going to practice yoga, meditation more to improve my mood and my strength and flexibility. So self-care, self-love, whatever. And you would do the same thing based on your goal for that page, or your whole poster board. If you have a poster board, you glue them down, whatever. Leave a spot. So after you write that down, you're finished with your vision board. Or like I have a journal, so I use multiple like pages. So yeah. And basically, if you want to manifest your goals based on your vision board, you will every morning or night or whatever, before you go to bed, wake up, you will look at it and you will read those affirmations. And that's how you have a vision board and help like manifest, speed up that process of getting those goals.